Hey guys, I just received my brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 9 today with the new Note 9 rugged case from Samsung. And we're going to check the phone out, okay? So what I have here, it's the 128 gigabyte, okay? Ocean blue with the yellow stylish pen. And it's the 512 gigabyte storage. It's available if you prefer that. If you download a lot of videos in your phone, you save a lot of pictures, music. The 512 is available, and you can add additional 512 external micro SD card if you like. Okay, that you're gonna get up to like 1 terabyte of storage. That's a lot of storage space. Okay, I don't think you're gonna run out on an actual phone, because mostly I store all my songs, my videos on cloud now. So all right, let's get to this. Let's open the box, see what we got here. Okay, sign. Really nice box, nice design, edge right here. Okay, go, and we got here, it's the SIM tray removal tools, and probably this is the instruction booklet. Okay, let's put that aside for now. And okay, this is the ocean blue Note 9. Let's put it aside for now. We see what else is in the box. Okay, we got the fast charging block. Okay, and the USB-C adapter to USB-A. And that's the USB-C charging cable. And AKG earpiece. We got the stylus pen tip removing tools. And this is the earbud, replacing earbud. Okay, there we go. And that is all we got. Now let's go back to the Note 9. We got the Note 9, the new one. It's 4.6 inch quad HD plus Super AMOLED display. Okay, edge to edge screen, and dual 12 megapixel camera in the back. One is in wide angle, and they actually moved the fingerprint sensor down a little more, so it's easier to reach. Okay, and we got headphone jack, USB-C port, stereo speaker, and here is the Bluetooth stylus pen, which now you could use to snap pictures, skip like forward slideshow back and forth if you do presentation for your work. That's awesome. Okay, and it only take 40 seconds to fully charge the pen. It will last you up to like 20, actually 200 click, and up to 30-minute standby time. That's pretty cool. And if the battery runs out, it still work as a regular pen. You can still write on your screen, all that. Okay, It's just that you can't, use the Bluetooth. That's all. But it only gonna, take 40 seconds to charge, and that is quick. Okay. Another thing is this Note 9 now have 4,000 milliamp battery, which are probably gonna last up to a whole day. Okay, and it's still IP68 water resistant. They designed a water carbon cooling system for the phone, so just in case you play a game for a long period of time, your phone doesn't go overheat, or it probably keep it cool. Okay, so it doesn't get too hot. That's a good thing. And let's check out the case. Okay, let's close that because I'm not gonna activate. The phone's not activated yet, so I'll probably do that later and have another video for you guys on the review of the phone. Okay, so this is the new Note 9 rugged case from Samsung for the Note 9. Okay, that's right here. Open this and check it out. Okay, it's got those instruction booklet. We don't need those. Leave it aside. We got ridges in the back. We're a little bit rough, so probably that's a good thing if so you have some grip on it. The phone just slip off your hand. Okay, and there's a kickstand. Okay, I don't like this one as much as the one for the Note 8. The Note 8 is a lot nicer. Let me see if I have it here. Yeah. Okay, there you go. The thing is, I like the Note 8 because you see the kickstand, you don't actually notice the kickstand is there, but it does have a kickstand like that. See, that's nice design right there. But overall, Samsung always design pretty good decent case for their phone. So nevertheless, the new case is still good, but I still like the Note 8 case better. Okay, so they got rubber edge all around to protect your phone or in case if you drop it. Okay, you got the power button on this side. You got volume up and down, and I guess this the Bixby. And on the bottom, you got the cutout for the phone jack. I guess that is for the charging port, and the mic, probably that's the microphone port, and this is the S Pen slot. Okay, so let's put the Note 9 on, see how it looks. Fit. Okay, turn that off. Okay, it fit nicely. Okay, there you go. Got another microphone up on top. Okay, stands pretty good. See, either way, I don't think stand upward. Maybe I think that's the best it could do. There you go. Alright guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and update, and tell me how you like the phone. Comment down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.